When a child or parent or any loved one isn't doing so well, the only goal becomes making them better, to take away their pain and to find an answer that doesn't depend on endless drugs or surgeries. What if the essential answer was simple, inexpensive, and widely available? What if it was backed by concrete science and medical research? What if someone could help you cut through all the misinformation and noise to get to the truth? This is why I brought together 45 of the world's most renowned doctors, scientists, activists, and nutritionists to give you the most up-to-date news about what can be done to prevent, treat, even reverse major diseases for yourself and for the people you love. That includes natural, drug-free methods for pain relief, a clearer mind, an energized body, and a whole lot more. Because the essential answer all along was simple, inexpensive, wholesome, chemical-free food. Join in our 8-part docuseries. We'll tackle longevity, your brain, your gut, your heart, cancer, fitness, nutrition, and our world. In the 2025 Food Revolution Summit Docuseries, Healthy People, Healthy Planet, you'll find out which foods to avoid and which foods can prevent and even reverse the world's most devastating illnesses. You'll discover what's going on behind the scenes and how the food and medical industries are making trillions of dollars profiting from a system that is causing suffering to millions. Heal and protect yourself, your family, and your planet. Join 300,000 healthy food lovers for the food and health event of the year, the Food Revolution Summit Docuseries.